Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I got a short, very short video on RS3. This is Havenythe's, one of Havenythe's, I guess, tasks. It's actually to find Maya's boat. So we're gonna head in and I'm gonna show you where to find it. So Maya's located right at this fishing farm here on the map, and we're gonna find her boat. So you talk to her as you do the quest, which is Nathan, to unlock Nathan's bank, and we're gonna go run. She said to run northeast, so we're gonna run northeast to find Maya's boat. So we'll run northeast. Um, So northeast actually is where you see the orange arrow for repairing one of the boats of Havenhythe. But repairing the boat, I already repaired the boat, but I didn't know where to find Maya's boat. But now I know where to find it, so we're gonna head there right now, and I'm gonna show you where it is. So we're running east right now. We're running exactly east. You just follow the path all the way east, and then you're gonna see there's an arrow right there. East, far east, there's an orange arrow on Havenhythe's map. So we're gonna run all the way east until we reach that arrow, that orange arrow, and then we're gonna run north. Okay, so north. We're gonna run north. And it should be around here. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, here it is. So here is her boat. So we're gonna. All right. Okay. So So here you can repair the boat right here at the police station. I already repaired it. Now I'm gonna head to the farm. Oh no, this is the farm. And we're gonna head to the burnt back. No, the grotto. We're gonna head to the grotto. Okay, let's see where we are. Yeah, that's the grotto. So now we're gonna run northwest. Alright, let's run northwest. I'm gonna cross over this stepping stones, and we're gonna run west. West, keep running west. Keep running west. Run a little north. I might run out a little bit of your stamina, but it's all good. So we found her boat. Where am I? Okay, yeah. We're heading to the fishing farm now, so we're running north, west. west. Where am I? That side over there. Okay. So kind of took a long way around. Now we're in the Wendlewick town. So here we're at the Lodestone. Okay. Now we'll go back to Maya and let her know that we found her boat. So we're gonna run down next to the shop that I've been always showing you guys on my previous videos. We're gonna head to the fish farm, which is south, and she's right here at. Okay, so talk to her now. Have you found my boat yet? Well, yes, I pushed it in the river, but it floated away before I could board it. Now I just need to find it again. It better not be damaged. Oh my gosh, I gotta find it again. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I gotta find the boat again. I'll tell you guys to find that boat again. Take care guys, ciao.